The wait and see strategy for AI is over. The pilot phase is dead. The only strategic question that matters right now is this: how will your business compete when your competitors are becoming fully autonomous? We've moved beyond simple co-pilots that just help you write emails. We are now in the era of agentic AI. These are autonomous systems that can manage entire workflows, predicting a supply chain failure and rerouting a shipment before a human ever gets involved. Now, this is where everyone asks, will this take my job? That is the wrong question. The right question for any leader is, how will this technology make my best people unstoppable? This isn't about replacement. It's about augmentation. It's about automating the drudgery to free up your team for high-level strategic work. And yet, over 80% of companies are failing to see a real return on their AI investment. They think it's a technology problem. It's not. It's a leadership and culture problem. You can't just buy AI. You have to build a culture that's ready for it, because the biggest risk isn't that AI will replace you. It's that an autonomous competitor will outpace you and they'll win because their culture was ready for it first.